everybody hears the speech, getting legs, showing who all's here. All right. Hello. So this speech is to inform on gaining better study habits, because we have all had our days when we have done our best effort on a grade just to find out that it was unsatisfactory to us. So the way to have better study habits is by making time to study every day, working on the subjects that are due first, and it is very important not to cram study. I am speaking from experience on this issue. So let's see how to improve our grades. Making time to study every day. It can be very difficult balancing life and school. This includes families and work and play. So you're going to have to make sacrifices, which includes turning off the television and putting your phone away. Some jobs, that's harder to do than other jobs, but you have to make the effort. You need to rid distractions. You need to find a quiet place. According to PsychCentral.com's article, The Top 10 Most Effective Study Habits, a nook in a student lounge or study hall or a quiet coffee house are good places to check out for a quiet place. You also need to rid the clutter. Nobody can focus with a cluttered environment. It's just too chaotic. So when you rid the clutter, you have less noise in your mind. You need to come up with a schedule. You need to make certain times for studying every day. Education.com's article, Habits of Successful Students, states that having a consistent study schedule will make you mentally and emotionally prepared for each study session, and each study session will become more productive. And you should also schedule time for sleep, because sometimes if you don't schedule enough time for sleep, then you don't get it. So, we have discussed studying every day, making sacrifices, ridding distractions, and coming up with a schedule. After we have learned to balance life and school, the next step is you need to work on the subjects with the due dates that come up first. This can be done by checking your syllabus and writing in your planner. I have noticed in class that there are certain subjects that don't seem to make it to the schedule. So it's very important to check all of the syllabuses so that you can make sure that you get it done. Also, something that I found that's very awesome to do is to write Post-its with reminders and due dates and put them inside of your laptop or in your car or wherever you need to put it so that you can remember and it's with you. So we've talked about how working on subjects with the soonest due dates first, by checking the syllabus and writing in a planner and Post-it notes with due dates will help prioritize tasks. After getting organized, what is the last step? Do not cram study. You remember things better when you study in smaller intervals. It just does something with your mind. So about 45 minutes or so is a good time, and then take yourself a 5-10 minute break and then go back to it. You can also make flashcards to go, like so. That way you can study on the go and you're forced to have quick intervals. Things that can help. You can email your instructor with any work problems that you have. TimeManagementSuccess.com's article, Developing Good Study Habits, 18 Keys to Successful Study, states that success is defined by the number of comfortable conversations that you're willing to have. So ask questions. You should also contact your instructor with any issues that you have regarding posting problems, like videos not uploading on time and stuff like that, so that they can make sure that they are informed and they don't just think that you're not doing what you need to do. If you do not cram study and procrastinate, you have time to study in smaller intervals. Make flashcards to go and can email your instructor if unusual circumstances arise. Following these simple tasks can help increase your grades and your performance by following simple guidelines to awesome study habits. So in this speech, we learned about making time to study every day, working on subjects with the soonest due date, do not cram study. What are some other ideas that you can think of to improve your time? Thank you.